Hey guys, so I'm going to show you how to do today's lesson. So first we're on our technology page. You're going to go ahead and click on 3rd grade. It says follow the directions to practice using Microsoft Word. So this is a lot like what we did last week. First you have to copy all of the text. So I'm going to take my mouse and put it right before number 1. I'm going to click and drag so all of this text turns blue. And then stop when I get after this little period behind quietly. Now I have a few options to copy. I can right click on the blue where it says copy. I can press Control C to copy the text. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Click copy. Now all of the text is copied. It didn't do anything, but I know that it's copied somewhere. Now it says open a new document in Microsoft Word. So now I'm going to go down here to the little Windows button. I'm going to click on Word 2016. I'm going to click on Blank Document. And now I can paste my text. But in case you ever forget anything that the video is saying, you can click up here where it's blue and drag it to the right side of your screen and it'll snap. And then on this side you can put the video so you can watch the video while you're doing this at the same time. Okay? So now I have to paste. You can go right up here where this little yellow clipboard is that says paste, and you can click just like that. Or you can right click and click on this first clipboard right here. Or you can press Control V. All of them will do the same thing. So we've done number 1, number 2, and number 3. Number 4 says type your name in italics after the colon. So remember last week we said this was a colon. So I'm going to click after the colon to put my cursor there. Now I have to find italics. So I'm going to go up here where it says I for italics. I'm going to click to make it gray, and then I can type my name. Now it says turn this sentence pink. So I'm going to highlight this sentence. I'm going to go where you see the red underline A and click the arrow beside it. I don't see pink here anywhere, so I'm going to click on more colors. And now I see a pink that I like. I'm going to click OK. Alright, our sentence is pink. Make all of the words in this sentence bold. So once again, I'm going to highlight by dragging my mouse. I'm going to find the B where it says bold. I'm going to click to make it bold. This one says change the font of this sentence to Broadway. So I'm going to highlight this sentence, go up to where it says Arial and click this little down arrow and find Broadway. Broadway, here it is. Now this one's pretty difficult, so pay close attention. It says insert a picture of a computer behind the text in this document. So I'm going to go up to where it says Insert, click where it says Online Pictures, and it's going to bring up a Bing search engine. So now I'm going to type computer and press Enter, and now I can find a picture of a computer that I like. I like this one. I'm going to click, and then I'm going to go down and press Insert. So notice how it's kind of in the middle of all of my words instead of behind it. So you see this little rainbow with the lines on it? This is how I can choose where I want my picture. So you can mouse over these things and find the one that says behind. This one says behind text, so I can click it. And now look, the words are in front of my picture. Okay, there's another way you can do this by going up here where it says wrap text. You can click on it and find the one that says behind and click it there as well. I'm going to move this out of the way so I can see what to do next by clicking and dragging. Okay. Add a table below all of this text that has 4 columns and 4 rows. So I can either click down here beneath all of these sentences, or I can click right here behind quietly and press Enter to make my little blinking cursor go beneath all of those other words. Then once again, I'm going to go over here to Insert. See right here where it says Table, I can click here, and now I can find out how to put 4 rows each of these squares that goes down represents a row, and then if I go to the side, that represents a column. So it wanted 4 columns and 4 rows. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and you can see it says 4 by 4 table. Now I can click, and there it is. So after you've done all of these things, and I'll be checking to make sure your picture is behind your text just like this, or maybe over here. Please put up your green star and let me know that you're done. Once I come by and check it, then you can go ahead and go on to the next activity.